TheCaseSolutions.com. Hey guys, this case is about Sandlands Vineyard Harvard Case Solution and Analysis. Sandlands Vineyard Case Solution. Apart from these, social factors can also hinder the development of a company. The most important factor is the country's economic growth rate. A slow-growing country will negatively affect revenue growth and profit margins. Various factors contribute to the overall success or failure of a company. A good financial strategy will help in managing these risks. If a country's economy is not developing fast enough, it will not be able to attract foreign investors. The business environment of Sandlands Vineyards is negatively affected by bureaucracy and weak law enforcement. Inefficient waste management can impact profitability and efficiency. A tight labor market can create problems with powerful labor unions and raises concerns about the business environment. In addition to affecting the business's efficiency, a lack of skilled human capital can make it difficult to attract and retain top strengths. The company's innovative approach to cost-cutting is one of its main competitive advantages. With extensive experience in international trades and business, Sandlands Vineyards has developed a unique brand that cannot be imitated by competitors. Its strong brand identity and marketing capabilities also help it ward off potential competitors. Its limited marketing budget, for instance, inhibits its ability to expand its customer base and encourage repeat purchases. Its lack of knowledge about local and international markets may hinder its growth. Despite these strengths, the company faces several major challenges, particularly with its low price point. Although the wine quality is still high, the company is still faced with a high threat of substitute. This competition can reduce profitability margins and limit industry growth. Furthermore, the competition is extremely concentrated, limiting profitability. Therefore, a strong brand can be a powerful asset, bringing in a large volume of new customers. The company invests in research and consumer information to differentiate its products. Its financial position is strong and its sales are strong. The strategy is consistent with the company's mission, vision, and internal marketing. The risks associated with this strategy are minimal, and the rewards are expected to be high. A high level of marketing spend and consumer research will help the company achieve its mission. It also has a high degree of market share and a high competitive advantage. The geographic presence of Sandlands Vineyards is a huge advantage. It can target international markets and a geographically dispersed customer base. It can also make use of e-commerce trends and improve its project management practices. Moreover, the organization can invest in research and development to increase its competitive edge. Its strong brand name will increase the morale of its workers and reduce job stress. If this is not enough, it can focus on building economies of scale by expanding its geographic reach. Opportunities. Several key trends in the wine industry will help Sandlands Vineyards increase its market share and profitability. The first is the increased use of social media. The company has an active presence on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Its product portfolio will continue to change as it tries to target new markets and consumer segments. In addition, the company will need to invest in research and development. Finally, it will need to raise funds for growth. In wine, the competition is becoming more sophisticated. This means that companies that are willing to pay high prices will survive. However, there are many competitors in this field. As such, Sandlands Vineyards needs to develop its product portfolio and expand its presence in emerging markets. Increasing its revenues and profitability will help the company remain competitive and profitable in the long run. There are also a number of growth strategies that will help it continue to grow. The company can improve its position in the industry by expanding its global activities. Its products are accessible in many markets and at different price points. In its local market, competition is fierce. The company needs to create products with high value and distinguish itself from its competitors. But the company can do this through partnerships. Its customers can trust in the brand. But the company needs to invest in its employees to ensure long-term success. Potential outcomes. Market segmentation. If the Sandlands Vineyards chose to expand the business by purchasing the new building, can target the more customers and build strong relation with them, also can compete over the prices. Appendix 4 shows the customers segmented according to wine drinker and wine industry profits. Global context. Global political effects. The global political environment is another important aspect that Sandlands Vineyards should study. A high GDP is a good sign for the economy, and a low GDP signals a shortage of labor. Voigt, 2019. A high unemployment rate is a negative signal for the economy and can discourage investment. A high interest rate also makes foreign capital less attractive, which can affect profitability. A high exchange rate can make it difficult to compete. Furthermore, the local currency can fluctuate wildly, which is also a cause for concern for Sandlands Vineyards. The political environment is a critical issue for Sandlands Vineyards. If the country does not have an efficient financial market, the winery could face negative reactions from the media, environmental protection organizations, and customers. Therefore, it is important to carefully study the environmental regulations in a country before deciding on where to locate its vineyard. A democratic political environment is more hospitable for a business and will make it more comfortable for employees and consumers alike. The political situation in the U.S. is relatively stable. Beam, 2018. However, political elements can affect the performance of a company. A strict waste disposal policy increases a company's sales and profitability. Additionally, a country's economy is more likely to be negatively affected if its economy is influenced by an international crisis. In this way, a country's economic situation could be a key factor in choosing the location for Sandlands Vineyards. Global economic effects. While the global wine market is extremely competitive, small local winemakers like Sandlands Vineyards still make a profit and make an investment. The wine industry is a highly fragmented market with more than 9,000 producers. The key to survival is to create a consumer profile, which is difficult to achieve with existing distribution systems. The U.S. wine market is less than 15% of the entire alcoholic beverage market. Martinez, 2019. The global wine market is changing. Santos, 2021. While once consumers connected price to quality, the new generation of consumers doesn't. While a low-priced wine is still popular in the U.S., its performance in the off-premise channel is declining. More customers are choosing to buy a high-priced wine from the winery directly. In fact, 1 in 5 U.S. wineries break even or lose money. A higher percentage of companies fail after accounting for the equity cost. This is just a sample partial case solution. Please place the order on the website to order your own originally done case solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you want any case study, visit our website TheCaseSolutions.com.